is Sangshetty Shatkar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Bidar. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on higher education system in India, which is recommended for UGC NET Paper 1. It is having weightage in a paper. First 3 to 4 questions are asked on this topic, and those who are pursuing preparing for NET examination for this June or July, this is most useful. Indian higher education system. Here we have the primary, secondary and graduation and post graduation system. Higher education reasons for dropping out. This is the figure as shown below. Here, not interested in education, 8.3% of the male are not interested. That reason they are dropping out the higher education. In case of female, it is 4.6%. In case of financial constraint, 16.6% the male are discontinuing the higher education. In case of female, 9.5% females are discontinuing the education because of a financial constraint. Looking at that, the school far away, this is 2% for male and 1.7% for female. Unable to cope up with the studies, failure in studies, that is 27%. This is, I think, second highest in a dropping out of the school in a male. Engaging in economic activity, this is the biggest reason for the male to drop out the school. Higher education architecture. This is the higher education architecture in India, that is curriculum and pedagogy, faculty, research, partnership and infrastructure, then funding and governing and leadership. These are the challenges of a higher education in India. In that, gross enrollment ratio is there, and university education infrastructure, job market placement, industry oriented research and innovation, quality and assessment of practices, inadequate financial support and political interface. These are the some basic data of the higher education system. Number of school level wise, that is primary 8,40,000, 946, upper primary 4,29,624, secondary 1,39,539, senior secondary 1,12,637. Schools management wise, government, that is highest schools are there, that is 11,02,783. the government aided 83,787, private unaided 3,35,776. Central university, there are 40 central universities. State public university 384, deemed university 124, state private university 262, central open university 1, state open university 14, and state private university 1. Growth of higher education in institutions since 1950. Number of university, number of colleges. In 1951, there are very less number of colleges. Now, in 2014, there are 40,000 colleges are there, and 700 universities are there in India. Higher education at glance, 2010 and 11 and 2017 and 18. Universities, 523 university in 2010-11, as on 2017 and 18 it is 903. Colleges, 33,000 odd colleges in 2010, now 42,333 colleges. AICTE approved technical institutions 11,809 and 10,400. Distance teaching university and institution 200 and 200. Enrollment in the university and colleges is a 116.75 lakhs and 366.42 lakhs. Enrollment of open distance learning, that is 37.45 lakh in 2010 and 11, 40.31 lakhs in 2017 and 18. Intake in AICTE approved technical program, that is 26.5 lakh in 2010 and 11, and 35.52 lakh in 2017 and 18. Top 10 university as per NIRF, National Institute of Rank Firm 2019, that is the number 1 university in India is IISc Bangalore. First rank Jawaharlal Nehru University Delhi. Second rank Banaras Hindu University Varanasi. Third rank University of Hyderabad. Fourth place Calcutta University, that is 5th place. Jadavpur University Kolkata. 6th University of Delhi. 7th Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeeth Coimbatore. 8th Manipal Academy of Higher Education 9th, Savitribai Phule University 10. Top 10 colleges as per NIRF 2019, that is Mirand House, Delhi University, first rank, Hindu College second, Residential College Chennai third position, Stephens College Delhi fourth, Lady Sri Ram College Roman fifth rank, Loyal College of Chennai sixth, Sri Ram College of Commerce seventh, Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Contingency College eighth, Hansraj College Delhi, that is ninth position, St. Xavier College of West Bengal 10th position. Management wise distribution of a college 2016 and 17, private unaided, that is 64%, private 22%, government only 14%. Fast facts about higher education in India 2016 and 17. The top 8 states in the terms of highest number of colleges in India are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Bangalore district tops in terms of number of colleges with 1025 colleges, followed by Jaipur with 635 colleges. 59.3% colleges are located in rural area, 9.3% colleges are exclusively for women, only 2.6% colleges run PhD program and 36.7% colleges run post-graduation level program. At PhD level, a maximum number of students are enrolled in science stream, followed by engineering and technology. On the other hand, postgraduate level, maximum students are enrolled in social science stream and management comes at number 2. The total number of teachers 30,65,786, out of which more than half of about 59.4% are male teachers and 40.6% are female teachers. 28,779 students were awarded PhD level during the year 2006, with 16,274 males and 12,505 females. BA 21.7 lakh degree has been awarded to maximum number of students. BSc 10.12 lakh is the second highest, followed by BCom 9.48 lakh. Discipline wise number of students enrolled during the year 2016 and 17, that is maximum arts, humanity, social science, that is 33%, science 16%, commerce 15%, engineering and technology 14%, education 7%, medical science 3%, other 12%. Expenditure on higher education 5-year plan. In that year 1951 to 56, it is 140 million. As per 12th 5-year plan, that is 2012 to 2017, that is 1,10,700 crores are specifically kept for higher education in India. Gross enrollment ratio, this is in case of SC, male 22.2%, female 21.4%, total SC 21.8%. Regarding ST, that is 17% for male, and female it is 14.9%, and overall it is 15.9%. In all category grouped together, male 26.3%, female 25.4%, and total grouped together, that is 25.8%. This is the gross enrollment ratio in higher education. Regulatory framework of higher education in India. These are the regulatory policy making, accreditation and regulation. University Grant Commission, AICT is there, ICAR, the ICMR is there, CSIR is there, state regulatory. These are all Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Association of Indian Universities, Central Advisory Board of Education, State Council for Higher Education, National Board of Accreditation, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. These are all regulatory framework of higher education in India. Ministry of Human Resources, this is the architecture of higher education, Department of Higher Education, then University Grant Commission, All Indian Council for Technical Education. This is the structure of higher education in India. Evaluation of higher education. Indian University Commission was there, then Indian University Act 1904, University Grant Commission 1948-49, Chairman Sipsa Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Secondary Education Commission 1952 and 53, Dr. Lakshmana Swamy, Modular Committee, Modular Emotional Integration 1961, Dr. Sarupananda, National Education Commission on Kothari Commission 14th July 1964, IITs, the Institute of Technology Act 1961, NITs before 2003, REC, the NITC is also called as a REC, Regional Engineering College. After 2003 it will become NITs, Under they are registered under 1860 Society Registration Act, IIMs 1909, functioning from 1911. AICT was established in the year 1949. Skill based education 15th July 2015. Question and answer. Now we will discuss about the question and answer. We will interact. This is not one way, it is known as one way communication. Still I will hope that you will respond on this. Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi has a which type of university, whether it is a state university or central university or federal university or none of the above. The answer is Central University. What is the gross enrollment ratio in higher education during the year 2017 and 18 as per NIRF, National Institute of Rank Framework? A 15%, B 25.8%, C 24%, D 26%. The answer is 25.8%. The 12th 5-year plan outlay for higher education. What is the cost meant for higher education in India? 1,10,000 crores, 86 crores, 87 crores, 88 crores. Answer is A, 1,10,000 crores. Fourth question. The UGC has launched the pilot project Sakshat program in which year? That is 2006, 95, 96, 86, 87 or 92. The answer is 2006. Who is the chairman of UGC as on March 1st, 2019? Professor D.P. Singh or Professor Ved Prakash, Professor Sukhdev Throt or Professor Anil Sarabodi? The answer is Professor D.P. Singh. Question number 6. As on March 31st, 2018, maximum number of degree college and postgraduate college are in Dash district. A. Jaipur, Rajasthan. B. Bengaluru, Karnataka. C. Hyderabad, Telangana. D. Pune, Maharashtra. The answer is Bengaluru, Karnataka. As per NIRF ranking, which college in India is at the top? St. Stephen's College, New Delhi. Residency College, Chennai. Mirand House, Delhi University. Lady Sri Ram College, Delhi. The answer is Mirand House, Delhi University. In which year modern Indian University got established? In the year 1857. The answer is 1857. The report of the which of the following education commission carries the subtitle Education for the National Development? Radhakrishnan Commission, Mudaliar Commission, Kolkata University Education Commission, D. Kothari Commission. The answer is D. Kothari Commission. The expansion of Sankalpa. The answer is skill acquisition and knowledge awareness for livelihood promotion. That is option C. Question number 11. In which area given below higher education in India got set back? A. British era, B. Buddhist era, C. Mughal era, D. Post-independence era. The answer is C. Mughal era. The number of open university and directors of distance education whose courses are recognized by UGC as on August 9, 2018 is A. 49, B. 53, C. 58, D. 62. The answer is B. 53. Which private institution in the following list have been granted the status of Institute of Eminence by the MHRD? A. BITS Pilani, B. MAHE Manipal, Symbiosis Pune, MT University Noida. The answer is A. BITS Pilani. Question number 14. One of the first state to establish the Higher Education Council was A. Sikkim, B. Goa, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Jammu and Kashmir. The answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. State Higher Education Council are established under the Institute of Niti Aayog. A. B. RUSA, C. KEB, D. PUSA. The answer is B. RUSA. Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, RUSA, was launched in the year 2012, 2013, 2014 or 2015. The answer is 2013.